Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Muhammad Abubakar and my registration number is BSCSFA20098. Today we discuss the topic is leadership and management. Leadership is doing the right things and management is doing things right. As Peter F. Drucker says that these quotations. Peter F. Drucker, born on November 9, 1909, he is management consultant and university professor. Next one is that importance of topic. As we discuss about our country, Pakistan is facing international and national problems due to lack of leadership. In December 1979 to February 1989, Pakistan leadership took a very wrong decision by making a part of American-Russia war, and we are burning in this war till now. And the next point is Pakistan is rich in sources and resources, but due to mismanagement and wrong policies, we are living in miserable conditions. Our education level is low than the developing countries. We discuss the next point as we are the students of the University of Faisalabad, and after completing our education, each one of us would try to adjust himself in the society as a great leader to put his country. So today my topic is very important. Please listen to me and feel the importance of the topic. As we see that leadership mainly deals with setting the right direction for the organization. It determines the objective goals and it tries to show the right path to achieve them. And in the next point we see that it should be effective, inspiring and influencing in its nature. And in Peter F. Drucker words, doing right things. Leadership contains mainly these points, primarily about people, motivating, inspiring, influencing, developing other people, building relationships, caring, building trust. A leader has these qualities. He is a person who holds a dominant a person position in a given field and has the ability to influence the group of people towards achievement of objectives. He should be careful and visionary in his attitude. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that beware, every one of you is a guardian and is responsible for his charges.
Ready, shoot.
Now we start our second topic, management. Management is about an individual or a group of people that accept responsibilities to run an organization. As management, they plan, organize, direct and control all the essential activities of an organization. Management does not do the work themselves. Instead, they motivate others to do work and coordinate for achievement the objectives of the organization. As management include these points: getting stuff done, planning, scheduling, delegating, measuring, reporting, coordinating, checking, getting things done right. Who is manager? A manager is someone who is in charge of the organization and has a group of subordinates who reports to him or her about the day-to-day operations. As manager do these things in a manner way. Planning. First he plan his program. Then he arrange a staff for his project. Then directing the project. And then he controlling all these things. In this slide, we discuss about the differentiate between management and leadership. In management, we base facts. In leadership, we based on the ideas. In management, we find answers. In leadership, we raise questions. In management, we solve problems. In leadership, we create changes. As all the points are given in these slides. And in the next slide, we can create the key points of these topics. Management is working in the system. Leadership is working on this system. Manager gains authority by position while leader gains it by influence and character. Every manager should be a leader and every leader must know management. Both leadership and management functions are important to maximize opportunities for success. As we include a video for example, let us see this video to explain how the insects leads and protect themselves against challenges.
Okay, come on everyone, we're behind schedule. You know what's gotta be done. Movement, movement, movement. Hey, you there, pick up the pace. You're falling behind. Come on, let's go. Everyone, hold together. We've got a threat to our hands. You there. Here we go. Narito na! Wimpo! Okay, pivotara! Tomato?
Uh-oh.
I hope you have understand the meanings of leadership and management and found out the difference between them. Any question you ask me in comments.